Nganza kwethu siyanibingelela kolunye uhlelo lingqayizivele. This is Sport Avenue under the umbrella of Durban Network. Kanti e-studio sivakashelwe umfoka Gcaba. He's a former Orlando Pirates defender. Umfoka Gcaba singakayi phambili. Are you related to the Gcaba brothers? Lava wasemboni.
You may say so. Yeah, we are related now. We are. Yeah. Yes.
Khona ukusondelana.
Khona ukusondelana yebo. Khona impela.
Mabehlaba inkukwana
Phela
bayabiza.
kumele sivele sakavela impela abanye savela abanye sakavela kodwa ke kona hayi no yeah. Basendlini.
Alright.
Yes.
Bafu. I think few days back there was like a conflict that erupted in the SAFA houses whereby kwakune motion ayikade proposer uDanny Jordan ehlangene neNEC that some of the 4 members should be sort of excused or whatsoever. If mhlawumbe uyafollowa you can have an idea of leyon, but asikho kakhulu lapho. Umbuzo uthi sesidiscuss uJordan ebusa and okunye kwalezo nkulumo kwagcina kwenza leyo ngxabano ukuthi there's a proposition for a 4th term ya Danny Jordan. Side lesikhathi lensizwa iphezulu entanjeni. Ibhola kuyakhalwa ukuthi alikhuli kuyakhalwa indawo eziningi ukuthi some of the departments that are sought to develop our football are lacking behind and stuff. What is your say kumbuso wa Jordan in office?
For mina umbuso wakhe wona uzamile but awuyiphambili I don't wanna lie. Nanokuthi kumele ngabe thina as uMzansi sikude because of thina we have everything. Namanje we have ama players that are playing abroad.
Yes.
But manje they're not recognized, some of them. You know, to be called ku national team to come and play. Nanokuthi I development yethu ikhona. Ama coaches akhona but not enough. So kuningi nje es ngithi it's like ama shortfalls abakhona from development up until ku professional, you know. So I wish mina kungangena omunye umuntu rabanye abantu in those positions. People abazokhulisa ibhola la eMzansi.
Yes.
Because of thina mostly mina ngabe sibukela ebantwini base Europe.
Yes.
Yeah, we are actually looking up to abantu base Europe, how they do things. But nathi we mina ngabe silapha vele already because of ibhola laseMzansi has produced a lot of great players who have played abroad. You know, Babo Makata, Abo Lucas Hatebe, Abo Shoes, I can name them. Batleti. Yo, it's a lot. It's a lot of players. But manje abanye badlala esquadini abanye badlala ngesquadini, you know, kuningi nje, you know. So let's circle le ebeyikhona throughout these years. Manje it's time ukuthi ishintshe manje kungene new blood. Abantu manje abantu abazoba nama ideas amasha. You know, because of uMzansi now has a lot of great players, young talent. Kukuthi nje we need to expose. We need to expose locally, abroad, Africa. You know, yes. For us ukuthi sithi manje ke we siyakhula as a country.
Enye inkulumo sayizwa kuleya ngxabano yayiloku indiza phezulu eyayisho yilamadoda ephikisana nale proposition ya ukuthi musani ukusitshela enikufunayo ngoba le mali le esikhuluma ngayo imali yabakhokhi bentela. Asikhulume ngecorruption eseke kwazwakala a number of time ukuthi iyenzeka in the SAFA house in the tenure of Danny Jordan.
Yes. Because of TV sayibukela and sayimamela indaba. Ngiye ngathi ukumamela kancane here and there, you know, ngayizwa indaba kaJordan ne case ebekahamba and stuff nangaphakathi kuSAFA and all that. Nathi besikhala baningi ade bekhala ukuthi ama players in national team they were supposed to be getting more than what they were getting. You know, abanye abantu ba negotiate. Abanye they tell you ukuthi this is how much you're going to earn or you're going to get because of you are preparing for an AFCON, you are preparing for a World Cup, but there is that money that is there for you guys because of this allowance. I'm there for a week, 2 weeks, a month, depending what is lapho for how long. And then you get that. And then you have your match bonuses, you know, and then the mali we told a very good, you know, I was called by a good national team, you know, abanye they get it, abanye it takes time, abanye they don't even get it. So kuningi. So that's why if you're gonna dive into it and then dive and go deep, you're gonna find a lot of corruption, you know, and I wish mina lokho kungaphela and abantu bakhule because of akekho umuntu ongafuna ukuba right asincingisaneni at the end of the day. We are there to share this cake, split kahle ukuthi akathole because of thina national team yethu from under 17, under 20, under 23. Ngeke ungitshela ukuthi you can take those players ubahambise ngebhasi. Kumele bathole i-treatment etholwa yilabo abaphezulu. Bayifile nabo ukuthi no, to be at this stage I have to work very hard. Ngizotreatwa right if I do right and perform right for me to be there.
Asikhulume ngalento esibiza that deployment and stuff. So khumbula ukuthi uDanny Jordan uke waba yimayor yomasipala thizeni okuveza ukuthi he's very attached to ipolitiki yase South Africa, being part of the ruling party as well, or the former ruling party which is in the GNU right now. Kuyingozi kangakanani ngokubuka kwakho uku-affiliate ipolitiki nebhola?
For mina kuba dangerous ngempela because of it's like ngathi uyachoose ukuthi kumele ngistick la. I must be loyal la, I cannot change. Yabona kumele ngibe la until so he's been there for the longest of time. Ubani oyamchallenge? I haven't heard he's been there for the longest of time. Sasa retire thina manje sekhona abanye manje abancane but he's still there. Kanjani? Whereby ngaphansi bakhona abantu abashintshwayo, abantu bayaphuma bayangena but wena uqhwakela umile lapho phezulu. Akunamuntu that's saying let's contest nathi for that position. You know, and lonto leyo ishiya nathi sinama questions ngizozibuza ngiyiphendule but futhi kuzobe ngathi singiyahlanya ekhanda ukuthi ngiyazibuza ngiyaziphendula ngeposition yalo wamuntu but la khona yena right.
Mhlambe ayanda
phazamisayo
sorry ukuphazamisa mhlambe asibheke nje sesivala khona kulokwa Danny Jordan mhlambe asibheke ukuthi do you think ukuthi iposition enjenganaleya iphathwe umuntu ongakazi alikhahlele ibhola? Do you think it's safe for i-development yebhola nje in particular?
It's not safe. Not beat up around the bush.
Singayigqokisa.
Ayikho right because of manje even in Europe wherever they put abantu who've played. Abantu abaziyo who've been there. Ngeke uthathe umuntu ongayazi into umfake lapha but abanye they do that. Omunye afunde along the way. For mina lo muntu ufunde along the way because of useneminyaka and ubeka nabantu abalaziyo ibhola abanye badlalela ibhola bamguide ukuthi no senza kanje kwenziwa kanje up until waze wabamba and then wangena kushuni and then from there wayibamba up until manje. You know, so manje naye he wouldn't just let it go because of it has done a lot for him. Even Umzansi, yes, I wouldn't say ukuthi it hasn't done anything for Umzansi. Yes, that's kwazile ukuthi but he find players sikhulise sikwazi ukuthi siqualify for AFCON, World Cup. Uyabona ukuthi yes siyazama siyaproduce but not enough because of italent elincane kumele ngabe manje sili ku national team 17 18 year old kumele ngabe uselapha phezulu manje ukuthi yeah nami I'm here manje I'm competing I want to play in the national team but we have a few and then that's a problem.
That's a problem.
A big one.
Sisase lapho nje sesizophuma kule topic. There's no Gaten Mackenzie, who's a minister of sport, arts and culture whatsoever, recreation and other stuff.
Yeah.
Omunye umuntu mhlawumbe ebholeni kakhulu. Esizokhumbula ukuthi hana clue even kwi sport nje. Kuma sporting codes ahlukahlukene ana clue ngisho ekhuluma evula umlomo uyamuzwa ukuthi akana clue sisakuyona le topic yobungozi bokubeka abantu entweni abangazi nanokuthi ioperator kanjani sizoba kanjani nebhola elideveloper sizoba eda kanjani ama academies that are going to be influential in terms of producing the national team players. Uma sisase no minister also they are clueless about football. They can't even open an academy. They can't be a solution to the problems that are facing the football arena. Yes.
Yeah, it's a big problem because of yeah man. Okay, yeah, he talks, he promotes a lot of good things. He wants sports ukuthi ibe well recognized eMzansi male female nje wonke ama sporting codes that you can think of. Yes yena that idea and everything it's there ukuthi yena akazadlale any sports but when
I don't
want to lie angazi ayikho futhi if njalo maybe ukhule ends or something and then wayekela along the way and then from there obviously we know what happened and then he came out and then politics nini usengene kuma sports you know so there's something ukuthi buningi ubushompe obukhona obenzakalayo but abanye abantu they turn a blind eye kuyona lento le but no it's fine it's okay because of kunabantu abala ngemumva abaphushayo bathi so kwenzela speech so kwenzela into so yabo yena it's all about ukufunda athi akhulume bese ahamba yocela ukuthi ngicela kwenzeka izinto ezikanje you know but manje if we have abantu that know have been there have seen these things have experienced them and then ngabe sikhuluma something else
ayanda kakhulukazi sinokubona abadlali former players like you and others niba quiet kakhulu ngenkinga zebhola efise iSouth Africa like the same one you're speaking about. We haven't had a former player ekhala ngokuthi uminister obekiwe is clueless about football. We haven't had a former player ekhuluma ngokuthi uDanny Jordan has been there and a very little has been produced under his reigns and stuff. Kungani nithula kangaka izinto zonakala as former players?
Sometimes you know when you talk you get in trouble. That's how the world is. That's how people are cruel langaphandle, you know, because of uzosho something at the end of the day uma uphuma uyofuna umsebenzi it won't be easy for you to get it because of izinto ozishilo or into ikhulumile you know because into ekanje they go out there but manje it's how you receive something because of abantu abaningi they listen ukuthi umuntu afuna ukukhuluma but you don't listen to understand because it's very important to listen to understand lo nto le yithathe uyidigeste kahle uyibheke not in your eyes only but nangamehlo abanye abantu because of lento le uma usuyikhuluma it's like isivulelekile anyone can come and talk have your opinion and all that but ekugcineni kumele kube khona i-result.
Yes.
I-result yakhona is it a good one or a bad one?
Yes.
That's the only thing.
Hey, hi. Hey, there's a lot of fear. Yeah?
Bona, to me there's no fear because of me I've seen it all, I've done it all, it's fine. Like ngigrand, ngiright. For me it's all about ukukhuluma iqiniso nezinto esizibonayo ukuthi lokho akukho right but ngizokhuluma omunye umuntu uzobona ngenye indlela akujudge akujudge yena ngendlela akujudge ngayo and then aphume ne-result yakhe and then
akuthuma uphuthu.
Yes, because ziningi indlela mfethu zokuncisha umuntu izinto or uthi lo muntu siyamupha because of we hear what he says. Let's try and implement lezo zinto lezo. Noma whatever I say mina, how do you take it ke? Ukuthi manje njengoba ekhulumile, oh lo muntu uzama ukuyala or uthi or okay sharp, let's have different opinions. Sibonisane but come to a conclusion right, A1 esazi kuzosikhiphela into right kuphela.
Sesiqhubekela phambili i-league this game or this season, if I may put it that way, it looks very tough. I-Pirates iwakhuphulile amasokisi. I-Sundowns we know ukuthi uma beyithola kuyobe kuwesi-9. Asikhulume ngale league, how competitive it is right now, looking ekutheni both teams are sharing the same points, almost the same goals. How interesting.
It is very interesting. How many games left? It's 10. 30 points to be collected. Sekubona boy-2. But for me now, Pirates this season has done what Oriviero done before. Ukuthi naye he was short kancane because Sundowns ngathi banelento leyo ukuthi they have that small edge, you know, mentality wise, you know, how we finish a league. If Pirates nabanye abangaphansi can try and adopt lokho, ukuthi there is a way yokuqala a league, and then uyibambe, but you know ukuthi uma sekuza ngasekugcineni it's whereby manje usunyusa ngempela manje usuyazi ukuthi manje I'm going to the finish line manje sengibheka kanje. That's why I'm saying ukuthi manje every game ekhona enabazoyidlala they know ukuthi it's very important to drop points manje. Omunye kuzomdedela wamdedela umuntu kancane wamnika that breathing space, abanye they are gone, abanye they will let you recover. So man, that's what I'm saying ukuthi it's very interesting, it's very tough because it's only a goal difference because bayalingana ngama points, but nalaba abalanga ezansi they're not far off, they're close. Ukuthi nje these two they're consistent.
Mhlambe Ayanda khona i-complaint eke yaba khona from ama supporters e-Pirates bekhala ngo-coach ukuthi he's very inconsistent in terms of line-up, which is one of the reasons agcine eluza lawa magame ayekade esene upper hand ngawo. Bakhala ngokuthi uyachopha kodwa kuba nenhlanhla yokuwina. Mhlambe don't you see lokho kungayi-destabilizer i-Pirates kulama game asele ukuthi abanayo i-line-up straight nje ku-first 11?
Yeah. I've seen that. I've watched them throughout the season, manje. For me now, it is very dangerous. Ngoba, you know, to chop and change, it's not good because of if you have your strongest 11 that you have confidence in, you know, no matter who ulele, you know, they will do the right thing, you know. But manje Pirates have been, you know, chopping and changing. I know ngiza ngashawa valo ngathi angeke manje coach hayi manje angeke singase extra manje. You know. So he's not far off. That's why I'm saying ukuthi laba badlala abakhona manje se babambile bakhona, you know, even though unokwenza lawo ama changes obona ukuthi sometimes they're not needed because of it depending game ayidlala or oyidlalayo ukuthi udlala nomuntu kanjani. So you don't just put anybody nje nanesikhathi uyabona ukuthi is it still early or is it late for me to put umuntu kanjena. That's why ngithi uma uhleli nawe as a coach you must analyze besides your assistant nalabo abanye, but nawe on your own umubhekile ukuthi bayeza bazongisiza because of they see this and this and that. Mina ke as a coach manje what am I seeing?
Yes, Sampe as a former defender with Pirates, do you have the confidence kusibisi unkosinathi sibisi ukuthi leya position uyayideserve ngempela, taking to consideration kunama blunder mistakes awenza ekubukeka engathi going forward meqhubeke wenza nawo futhi angayidalela amazinyo, angayakhela amazinyo abushelelezi Pirates.
For me already usezakhelela amazinyo abushelelezi already. You know, ama blinders lawa sewenzile would almost cost it him, but luckily sinabantu abakwazi ukuthi but cover that. I mean, I wish he can talk more and be vocal, be a leader, show ukuthi why are you giving a captaincy armband. Yabona. So yena for me he's playing, yes. The time Mbokazi, that's what I'm saying, there was a big difference. That's why now manje when people look at them or look at the Pirates when it plays manje, they can see ukuthi Mbokazi akekho because of he has this and that.
There's that missing link.
There's that missing link, yes. But manje yena he should be that feeling link. No, let me feel that space because of
considering usekhulile.
Yes, usekhulile, he's been there, you know. So that's what I'm saying. Manje, it's where manje leadership has to come out and play a big role and show why am I giving this captaincy in the first place, because of they saw something in me. So manje akuphume lokho akangakufihli, because of the more you hide it, thina it's like uyasaba ukudlala, but he can play. It's
so kahle uyena kumele ngabe uyakhomanda.
Yes, self belief mfethu, self belief, believe in yourself, believe in your players, believe in everything that you do. You're not giving that for a mistake. No, but they saw something in
enye into enokukhulunywa abalandeli bePirates nabanye nje abantu abathanda ukuanalyze ibhola, ba consider Abdul njengano coach onelakh, bathi akanayo philosophy eqondile, ukushintsha nokuchopha inabadlali kwakhe kusuke kubonisa ukuthi usuke sebona ukuthi lento eyenzeka ngaleso sikhathi ayisebenzi, so let me introduce. Do you see him as a coach with a philosophy who plans how to want to approach the game?
Yes, ngoba social media ngiyibukela social media too much. I don't want to lie. Ngiyababuka bona, I go ngaphakathi and see, you know, your video clips in.
Yes. You
can see, yes, preparations and everything. Iyakwenza, yes. But ngiyashota lapho nalapho. I don't know which way they want to play. You can see good, yes, build up nice forward, those touches connecting. Angazi ukuthi iphilosophy yakhe yini or yipi, but yena from Marumo Gallants bubona ukuthi these guys they play. Yeah, they like tiki-taka, but tiki-taka yakho direction and then purpose.
Ish.
That's the only thing, Jay. Yeah. Kora. We have, I'm sure, the most dangerous gang ekhona manje
when
it comes to attack. Yeah. But manje still nabo ngathi hesitant.
Don't you think ukuthi sometimes into we Pirates it's individual brilliance rather than
a team thing or a philosophical coach? But yes, something ukuthi kuno find like hlanganisile papa kwahlangana. Yeah, but manje we have thinkers. We have thinkers. You know, we have Mbule, you have your Rayleigh,
your Mbatas.
That's why I'm saying you have thinkers.
Nesinye isikhalo ayanda khalwe kakhulu ngayo ukuthi uMbatha unokumsideline mainly on crucial games nje ubuvela ungamboni uMbatha kumele ngabe uyambona, for which ngokukholela kwabalandeli bePirates uMbatha he's the most solid midfielder kuPirates, who has brains, who can read the tempo of the game, blah blah blah, but lensizwa inakuvela imbeke ebhantshi nje esikhaleni. What do you think are the reasons behind that?
Kunzima ukuthi umuntu umkhulumele sometimes or uye engqondweni yakhe because of whatever he thinks Yeah, at that time it's right, or actually this person is right for this game. You know, sibesikhumbule ukuthi Umbatha ngithi kuyaba on and off in terms of injury wise, you know. So yeah, he fought, he came back, wadlala waba right. So mind you, it's all about these minutes that you have to play for you to reach the level labanye ama players, because of when you were out, and then mind you, you're coming back. So mind you, slowly coming back to that fitness, the momentum okade unayo before.
Yes.
So that's something kuningi. So ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ngizothi mhlawumbe umbe ngaphandle because of no, he's not suitable for this game. Abanye abantu can say fitness wise, you can't play this game. I can put you in maybe for the last 15-20 minutes, or next game let me try you for 45 minutes or 60 minutes and see how you do, because of nami if ngilimele ngibuya kwi-injury ngizodlala lo 45 to 60.
But isikhala sakhe sihlezi sibonakala.
Isiyabonakala,
Ekhona ebenchini angafakwa kodwa isikhala sakhe you could see it.
And but still there are other players. You have Mabumbulo, you have who else can play that position?
You can't count Makaula because
he's more defensive. But Nemti Jela, the short one. Yes, he's a short nippy player. Yes, there's something with that number 8-10 role. For me na when he got there wamane wathi khaxa wangena.
Yes,
and the muntu is got ama short, he's direct. Something he works futhi ukuthi let me go and mark ngilithola
ibhola. Work ethic wonderful.
Yes, it's wonderful. That's something ukuthi for me na ngithoma ngihleli ngiyibuka ngabona ukuthi okay sharp bekuyi fitness wise, nona ukuthi mhlambe ke I don't know if he picked up weight, they had to fight weight off first and then get him ukuthi abe fit kahle, and then ukuze angene straight eteamini adlale ajele. But manje kusale in and out, but otherwise yena he's performing. Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns, let's zoom in. They've been leading the race for the past 8 years. Benza show which they secure the league and stuff. Let's before sizo analyze the performance yabo this season and zoom into how they perform right now. But let's look at the goal yeMamelodi Sundowns. Esikhathini esiningi kunokuthiwa ikwazi ukachieve lento ye league because already umqondo wabo awukho kwi domestic league. It's abroad. Do you agree with that idea?
For me, I would say I agree, because of they know Gusi league they would always compete. Those guys have quality players, they've got it depth, you know. So you wouldn't complain that much. It's all about individuals who plays on the day, but now you know how they are structured, you know how they move. So I'm saying whatever they do, you see it. You know, you see it with no man just say oh they play Lomutu because of, you know. So that's what I'm saying with Manja Bona, they have that. That's why I'm saying in Ronde Yabo Bona Manja Latina we are fine tuning ourselves. Says Lungi, says prepare for Africa and the Confed. World Cup. Because the competition too. They are big. And there's a lot of money there. That's why I'm saying the only thing that we have to fight for is to Guti City try and qualify for a Champions League. If Guti say win, we know Guti we are going there. Already they've tasted Guti how it is there.
Yeah, the atmosphere that side.
Yes. Ama players manje bayakulangazelela futhi ukuthi no man. Yes, I see win league. I see win league madota because of Tina. We belong there.
Ish. Sample Mfokagcaba, one of amanye analyst ngesinokuba nayo la uBhungane igama lakhe. He once said, let me not say he once, ukusho njalo uthi iSundowns ucoach wayo uKadoso, he's not a good coach. iSundowns uthi kufana nokuthi ayinayo coach. Into eyiwinisayo, it is because inabadlali already abane winning mentality, and leyo winning mentality sebebe nayo for isikhathi eside ba-achieve izinto eziningi bendawonye balabadlala abanjengoThembazwane oMkwena oModiba behlangene ukuthi banalesa spirit even if ucoach ama-tactics akhe or iphilosophy ingekho good but bona bayakwazi ukuthi bayiwin igame. Do you agree ukuthi ucoach we-Sundowns is not good enough?
Not good is not good enough. He is good. Let's give the guy, you know,
his flowers.
His flowers, mafethu, you know, while nje sase right. Let's not deny a lot of things. Kukuthi ke i-Sundowns inama senior players amaningi. You know, abo Thembazwane, Omdiba, there's something baningi, you can count them. Yes. They've been there for the longest of time. Labantu, they know how to win a championship. They've won it back to back. That's what I'm saying. Uthi bona. That's what I'm saying. As players bebodwa, I'm sure whenever behlangene bakhuluma ukuthi madoda thina sizibona siku Champions League, sizibona siku Club World Cup football madoda. So for us to lower those standards, it would be a big disappointment. Ngabe i-disgrace enye even to i-chairman, to our supporters that have been there behind them throughout, whether it's good, bad, they are there. Same thing manje ku Pirates, your Chiefs, your Banbani, our supporters manje, they are going out there manje in numbers to go and watch and support Amachita. You know how nice it is to go and fight for ICAF Confed, to go and fight to expose team yakho to Africa. That's the mentality mele ngabe thina manje as ama team ala eMzansi we should have to fight for ICAF, iConfed ikhona. Even but wina lento iNetbank, you qualify to go and play with Confed. It's something that is big. Manje Africa should be our priority manje.
Do you think Ayanda over the time iSundowns ilogo idlala iphindelela kwi Champions League iyana kwi Club World Cup esikhathini esiningi esidlule uzokhumbula ukuthi ama team amaningi la kwi league yethu ku domestic league abengayi prioritize indaba yokudlala eAfrica and stuff. It didn't have that, I mean, sense of agency and stuff, but ngokuloko iSundowns idlala iphindelela, most of teams now are very ambitious with playing in Africa.
Yeah. Into ebenganakiwe bayinake nje in these past few years after iSundowns eat, and then kwenza thina ke, that's when manje ke people got serious with no man. Actually Africa is big. ICAF is big. Confed is big. It's just that good nje thina we didn't think much of it because of thina we thought of mostly of domestic league. We know what we want to rule it. Season. Ama cup games are corner, yes, but e-league is the biggest. Is the one that you need.
Is the mother
season is the mother, yes, is the mother body of all. Laba abanye bayeza ngemumva, but the prize yokuqala uyazi ukuthi league.
Kaizer Chiefs iqale kahle Kaizer Chiefs, then all of a sudden ya dropper due to some reasons amanye nje eswabunayo and stuff. But ngifuna ukuzwa kuwena ukuthi ngokubuka kwakho ubuka indlela eqale ngayo up to a position that they are at right now, yini lidelela?
You know, I wish to give you the answer right, you know, but manje it's hard. It's hard. Nakumina ingqondo yami nje iyadlala because of ngiyazibuza ukuthi what's happening, you know, because of Chiefs is a big team, you know, that's an institution on its own, you know. I mean, I wish Chiefs can learn from Sundowns, Pirates, nalaba abanye. Try and maintain and fight for a badge, you know, as ama players kumele ngabe siyathethisana siyalwa because of slowly team slowly win sifuna ukuzibona silapha. That's why I'm saying ukuthi for me, I'm disappointed with Baphumile Africa because of I thought they had a chance. You know, even though it's squad you wanna see shaky, but the squad is win because of labo 1-0. They're important. Now Bagaya a confidence boost. At least I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm trying. You know, ubanale hope. They call the light and yibonai. As long as they are lighty corner, I know guti ba. Kuguti manje when because of you have the players, you have a capacity.
Yes, there was a time Orlando Pirates yayinenkinga ecisifana neChiefs ingazwani nokuthenga abadlali ithatha abadlali naye abadala kwafika leya era la khona ama supporters alwa ishawa iSundowns I think ngo6-0 yes balwa kakhulu ama supporters sabona kwisizini elandela iPirates ithenga abadlali abaningi leyathenga khona cishe oDion Hotto babekhona lapho uMuthwari kwabonakala iPirates ishintsha isizama ukumesha iSundowns in terms of ukuthenga abadlali. Don't you think iChiefs nayo kumele ngabe adapta to lokho ngoba isabukeka impela lento yokuthatha abadlali ababizwa ngama rejector prioritize?
Yeah, I wish mina nje Chiefs can buy ngempela buy players. I'm not saying ukuthi laba bakhona are not
worth it.
Chiefs caliber or material. Ukuthi nje I don't know what's lacking. I don't know ngempela because of I'm trying to picture all the players that are there. You know, baningi ba right. Baningi ba right. That's why ngithi mina ama supporters yes banalo right yokukhala kanje ba complain because of bakhona abantu who are there but manje it's all about what are you delivering grounding or at the end of the day because of I can't go out there ngithi ngiyosupporter umuntu ozoluza ngiyabuya futhi ngiyakhala the following weekend futhi is back you know ukuthi kuba nzima kanjani for you to go out there almost every week to go and watch umuntu ozothi today are you winning or are you drawing? You know, I win we bona kancane. But manje nakhona futhi it's pressure on its own nje ku coach. And as ama players futhi now I pressure vele on its own ukuthi yazini as perform. Yini ekumele siyenze right ukuze siwine or to have that winning streak because of if they can win 3-4 games straight.
Yes.
Abantu bazosho bakhohle ukuthi they were losing.
Bekwenzakala bakhohlwa ukuthi bese ku10 years ngokwina nje Nedbank bakhohlwa konke.
Thank you. Yes. Yabona ukuthi after 10 years winning Nedbank yabona ukuthi now you are on a silverware. Now you've got something to boast about ukuthi at least I've got something. So I'm saying with manje if you don't have that you can't win we league, you don't win kuma cup games so uzowina kuphi? You know, what are you going to talk about at the end of the season?
Enye into ayanda ngifuna sibuza kuwe lento ngoba you've been there. Kuyingozi kangakanani ukuba nama supporters amaningi abantu owazi ukuthi most of the games bazobe begcwele iground bekupusha because we've seen it with different players Kaizer Chiefs about Dupreez was performing very well with the Stellies and stuff but yet here comes the moment whereby he plays for Kaizer Chiefs he couldn't keep up that very same momentum and stuff. Lately sibone uMdusha balala ehlulwa amagoli ihlandla ezihlukahlukene you know. Doesn't that on its own pressure ukuthi team iphansi ayiwini ihlwele ziyakubhuwa abantu are waiting for the win the management is eager for positive result? Doesn't it give you a pressure ukuthi noma sowubhekene no keeper ugcine wenza into engeyona because you're trying to impress and cover up?
I pressure khona impela kuukuthi ke noma usudlala wena as a person because of you are given a responsibility obviously you know ukuthi you must go out there your performer you know ukuthi mina as a defender I must defend mina as a midfielder I must create mina as a striker I must score so lokho nje on its own I pressure so manje yazi kunzima macala onke kunzima macala onke because of manje umudlala vele I-pressure ihlezi khona ukuthi how are you performing njengoba udlala manje I-performance yami injani ama spectators ala vele already bona they want results at the end of the day na I-technical team la na I-coach la so that's why I'm saying ukuthi I-pressure it's always there but manje when how do you calm yourselves down from that ukuthi let me not listen to abantu ngaphandle because of you may have abantu bekhuluma but ke ungabamameli because of uzobamamela uzophuma egamini yakho you won't play what you want to play uzodlala ngendlela yabo at the end of the day uma ungasadlali right bona bazobhuka wena ibona bazobuya bazobhala kuma comments hey we are this we are that why you missa phambi kwepali why this why that so I'm saying ukuthi manje to praise ubuye manje ugeje that ball lapha chance kanje you can't I still yazi ngisakhala ngale chance I still crying ngale chance then if he had scored ngabe sikhulume something else with the Stellies at least a draw sharp all right but kanje that's a sitter of a goal and any striker would tell you ukuthi lapha showcase
asikhuluma ngeblunder abayenza ngokwenkolelo yabalandeli bebhola and even some analysts and other people that are interested in football ukuthatha uCedric whom came to Kaizer Chiefs as a translator then he ended up being a head coach and stuff akubona umngozi lo
I know ukuthi akubona umngozi that's murder that's murder straight lo muntu uyi-coach na first of all does he have incwadi as they always want his incwadi does he have we don't know if he has let's see them and then singakhuluma ukunye ukuthi oh okay unencwadi oh okay now we understand why bembeke lapho but you can't say ukuthi when you are a translator from being a translator to being a coach a head coach usuyobambela ucoach lo bekade uhamba naye kulethile ukuthi uzo translator wena at the end of the day sekuwena umuntu ocoacha yena akasekho
yo
asibhekene lento madoda ngeke inkinga nami angazi ngizochaza ngithi nami I wish to ask uBrabobi ngithi mina what's happening ngempela why did you say you want to hire this guy abe head coach he was a translator yes I understand even if but you are a translator kanti why are you to a translator you are there to translate for lo muntu because it's a foreign at the end of the day so if ukuthi uyahamba nawe kumele ngabe uyahamba
yes
but manje uyasala usalela abanye uzochazela bona ukuthi no kukanje khamba kanje but they know ukuthi mina ngiku goalkeeping department mina ngikukup mina ngikukup I'm not a head coach or anything but I'm there so it means what nami anginyamala lengabikhona lapha but sengilapha phambili manje ukuthi ngifike kanjani phambili mina ngabe siya bona bayazibuza ukuthi umuntu ufike kanjani simlese kanjani la phambili because of we know ukuthi we have ama assistant akhona la eceleni people that have been there mina ngabe sidonsa bona sithi was sondela because ucoach sesimhambisile but uzolethi translator
ish do you think ayanda ke uhambisa yena kuNapi ke as a head coach was it a good decision for Amakhosi?
For me it was because of it team ayihlangani man ayihlangani team like ngeke even bathi namanje ngabuya manje bamnike 5 games still you won't achieve or do anything uzofana futhi so that's something ukuthi iChiefs idinga umuntu with a big heart umuntu ongekaza abancenge I don't want to lie umuntu ongekaza abancenge ozobatshela ukuthi madada we are here to work fight for this badge this badge means everything if it wasn't for this badge some of you wouldn't be here
mhlambe ake sibheke a very recent event eyenzekile whereby ama supporter eChiefs amasha ayakhona eyakuma head office eChiefs eyo complain eyo ehambisa ama grievances awo do you think it was a good move for ama supporters ukusenzele considering ukuthi kade babekhala kubonakala ngathi abazwakala?
For me ukuthi ama supporter ayile ayobeka izikhalo zawo. I think bekuyinto right, yes, because now you are a supporter and at the end of the day you take out money to go and watch a team play. You want ama results are right, yes, they're not doing right, yes. Yeah, bahambe bayokhala, yes, to say no man. Kwenzakalani? You know, maybe uma ngase nisitshele face to face, maybe singa understand and sinizwe, and then nathi siyemakhaya ngenhliziyo as right, you know, having had that picture given to us ukuthi oh kwenzakala 1 2 3 1 2 3, you know, but manje kuba nzima because of manje abazi kwenzakalani and ama players are right, ama players are right, are fit, are sharp, are right, ayadlala, but ama results ke that's the only problem. Nanokuthi ke manje it's gonna be silly of them if ukuthi bazofuna ukulwa manje baba ngomsindo bangena e-stadium babulala izinto like before, you know, that's not a good thing, you know, so kumele bathole ezinye indlela zokuthi benze bazwakale and then ke into yabi attendwe in a right way. Yabo to sit down and talk because of nakuthina it happened ku Pirates. You know, whereby we were not doing great. Besibuyela ku SuperSport we lost, I think it was 4, and then it was the Sundowns, it was the biggest score ever, like big team to be scored 6, you know, abantu they would rave about it, they talked about it for the longest of time, but izinto zasettle shut down. Ama supporters, they fought, they came, bakhuluma nathi, basithethisa, you know, it was a lot, you know, because bebazi ukuthi it's not us, we are not capable of that, you know, and they know ukuthi most of us can do better, and abanye they are trying their best, you know, so that's why I'm saying ukuthi manje what's happening with Chiefs, it happened to us.
Yes. Were you there when ngalesikhathi kwenzeka?
Yeah, I was there. SuperSport I was not playing, unfortunately. I was bengisendlini eJozi, but le Sundowns I was playing. I came out first.
Ish. Nafila kanjani ayanda after igame sekwenzeke yonke le massacre le? As players,
it's the worst thing that can ever happen to anyone, and engqondweni yakho it gives you a perspective of abantu and supporters, you know, to say they love this team, they would do anything for this team, same as my supporters at Chiefs.
Yes.
Yeah. Because of it's the love of the game. You know, and abanye abantu they take it into heart ngalendlela ukuthi bangathi I can do anything man, hey, because of the team ngayifela, it's everything, so that's why ngithi akukho easy for anybody at this moment, you know, not for the team, not for my supporters, but manje it's all about calmness. Sithi ke madoda kule season siyacela nizama ukuthi niqede at a good position, come i-season miphela and then regroup kahle, try and find other players or new players abazoboost i-team, ikwazi i-team ukuthi ibuyele back to the Chiefs le abayaziyo and the Chiefs that they love, because of abanye bazothi the love is dying for now, but isazobuya because of i-team oyithandayo.
Yeah. But ayishintsheki
i-team ayishintsheki, uyayithanda uyoze ungene egodini. Yes.
Enye into ayanda sekudala abantu bekhala kwi-Chiefs, ama supporters even proud to wina kwayo i-Nedbank, bekuloko kunokukhala okukhona, for which issue yakhona it don't seems to be addressed properly, especially the issue of window period, the issue of transfers. Kunini la ngokubuka kwakho oBhuphi ne-team yakhe nje bebonke as a family, they would sit down and say the football has evolved, ibhola alisekho ngokulanda abafana abasakhula, kodwa if you want to keep the status quo, you need, to be visible in a transfer market. We saw it with Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates was the same as Chiefs, but they realized what makes Sundowns to be constant and consistent with their game, it's because they are very dominant when it comes to the transfer market. Ucabanga ukuthi Chiefs khona la yohlala khona phansi ikurealize lokho ukuthi if there's a big gun, Nazi are all out for that big gun.
Yeah, but that one day, asiyazi ukuthi nini, you know, because of you would wake up and realize it's him sick NFT. You know, so the earlier the better. You know, njengoba sekanje already they should be planning ahead ukuthi since isizini sizophela manje let's start looking ukuthi since isizini idlala, what have we seen, who have we seen that can come and boast a team, or let's look outside. Look at Sundowns, they buy outside, they buy quality players, abafike bangene, and then do the work. Same as the Pirates na izamile, ithe yaphuma yathi yalanda yahlanganisa. They have a good squad, banayo depth. So nayo iChiefs ayenze the very same thing. Angathi it's money wise, I don't know ukuthi yini, but I don't know whether let blame kahle I should put it kuma scouters abo, or I should put it ku Bobby and the family to say wake up, get your heads right, go out there and look for players. But probably we know ukuthi before you would get players whereby you know ukuthi lo muntu is a free agent, but a good player at the end of the day. No abanye bangadoubt abanye players, but umefika Chiefs they became good players because of yena bekaphuma ahamba yolanda athi woza sayina, come and play. The Chiefs beshisa mfethu. Chiefs you had abo Yeye or George, abo Masango, abo Kingston. There were a lot of great players. Abanye they were free agents but good players. Aba perform benze right. So manje, why can't you do it now? What has changed? Something ukuthi for mina angifuni qamba manga Bobby, with all the respect ngamblame ngithi Brapi, but this one has to fall kuwena ngempela
shakwena
straight biza laba la eduze madoda asondeni sihlanganeni hlaleni phansi discuss asilungiseni. We still have a couple of months, good 2-3 months silungise. Come pre-season, come window entsha, siyakwazi ukuthi siphume siyolanda. Then ukuthi sithi we gonna deal with what we have. Nakhona with what you have, some must leave, some must stay because of it's part of football.
Yes.
Some leave, some stay. Yes, same as coaches, they come and go. So players, they must know ukuthi nathi at the end of the day, I'm fighting for my next contract.
Yes.
It should be in your mind. I'm fighting for my next contract. I'm fighting ukuthi i-team ihlale phezulu. Because ihlale phezulu nami it gives me a chance to say at least I'm still lapho eteamini, I still have a contract. So I don't know if bona they think local or they are just playing ukuthi asidlaleni madoda so that a season can end.
Ish. Sesizovala nje mfuka Caba ke sizume into i-selection ya Hugo Bros elungiselela ukudlala kwi-World Cup. Do you think ukuthi ushaye kahle noma masodlulela esweni le-World Cup knowing abadlali abamqualifyele wangena ku-World Cup nabadlali nje recently akade ebasebenzisa masibuka amaform abo nangendlela ekwenzeka ngayo? Do you think should be the same players that are due to represent him in the World Cup?
I would say most of the players are abamqualifyelile, ababe khona, and then he can add where he has to add and see the need to add because of it's a World Cup, it's a big one, you know. So lapa you must have your best warriors,
your A game,
lapa there's no big game and what there's always your A game lapa because of now what abantu they are well prepared. Labe corner they are preparing. That's we are doing the same thing. We should be getting the toughest games because of manje. This is a World Cup. It's not AFCON. It's a World Cup. So it different on how we approach these things because of qualifiers and playing the actual tournament. It's something that is very, very different. And the experience abanye, most of them is going to be their first time.
Yeah. uThembazane sokhumbula ukuthi ubuya ku-injury walimala kuyona i-national team. Uma ubuka iform yakhe ukhona kula badlali abaselekthile for ukulungiselela ukuya World Cup. Masibuka iform yakhe for which abantu abaningi they would say akukabi lo Thembazane kade kuyena. Do you think would be a right choice for him to take him to the World Cup?
It's a tough one. Nanokuthi uThemba mfethu has done a big job for a national team. For his Sundowns, we know what he can do izinto ezinjani, you know. So umuntu kanjalo would always have to have him close by. It's sort of like your wild card in a way, you know. You know, so he has to be there. Yena guide labafana futhi, you know, because of we know with his age, he won't be the same in terms of performance. Yes, he has those touches, that influence.
Yes.
At all times. So that's why I'm saying to manje for him to be there. And mina ngibe happy ukuthi at least he's there because of we missed umuntu onjengaye esquadini. You know, who's going to add that spice whereby we know ukuthi if we want to rush we can rush. If we want to slow it down we can slow it down.
Yes.
You know, and lo muntu sekhulile, they know ukuthi he has matured in every way. So that is why I'm saying ukuthi for him to be there and ukuthi uHugo Broos ukwazi ukuthi amthathe athi iba khona, it gives me that thing ukuthi at least manje abanye ke from even a training can learn something from him.
Yes.
You know, and then says we prepare kahle because of we can't play him amagame amaningi because we know ukuthi he can go back to injury very fast because usanda kubuya, so manje he's still getting his feet together, you know, with manje step by step. So if some rush, it's going to be a problem.
Umbatha
for me I would say akathi ukuphusha kancane, you know, athi ukusebenza abuyise i-fitness
but umselekthile ukuthi
ukuthi yes abe because something ukuthi yena manje on your own besides ukuthi sengibiziwe esquadini because of you know manje, but manje it gives you then ukuthi manje let me work extra ke because of ngifuna bangithole ngikwi form right from a teamini going to esquadini. On your own you train extra, wazi ukuthi fitness wise I'm okay. Noma ngathi bathi can you play now, ushda no ngi-right I can play because of mentally physically you are okay.
Mhlambe ake sibheke i-World Cup seyiseduze, asingakhohlisani sibuke ngathi sesekude. Asikhulume ngebafana, sikhulume ngebhola lase South Africa, sikhulume nge-standard se-World Cup. Do you think i-South Africa ngebhola esinalo manje sibuka ne-standard se-World Cup singafika nje kona singaphuma kuma-group stages mawubhekile?
It won't be easy because of we have Mexico, we have is it Korea? No, is it what?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying ukuthi
Mexico kahle team which ethanda ukuba strong.
That's why I'm saying ukuthi South Africa can compete. Kukuthi ke which players are you going with? Your final, how many players should be there? About 20, 25, 28, 24, somewhere there.
Yeah.
So it means that's something 25 players. That's something with your best 25. Or wazi they will carry me up until ngiqeda. So that's why I'm saying you must pick your strongest 25 players. Because of lapha, every national team is ready. Abanye bazilungiselela but they know ukuthi mina I've got my strongest 11 yam nayi. Even though we still have a couple of months to see prepare, have your three games or 2 games to play, so as emele swadlala ukuthi sibe right, sibone ukuthi how far are we or sikuphi, and ukuthi ke I team esifuna idlale because of at the moment we still have a bunch of pool ekhona ethi baningi, choose the right one. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi manje ukhethe manje bazohamba badlale babuye, and then the second one futhi is going to be different kancane because of uzokhipha certain players afake certain players. So that's why I'm saying it for him it's still a challenge.
Asikhulume ngomdlali who has been constantly excluded kwiBafana oyile kwi-Club World Cup, wadlala ku-Champions League uThembikhosini Lorch, who's now playing in the league in Libya and stuff. Also his team is participating in the Champions League. Constantly he has been excluded for no like apparent reason, for no specific reason either. Ithini feeling yakho ngomdlali ocontributor eteamini yakhe on an African level but akafakwa squad?
Kunzima to say much because of we know ukuthi uLorch has done a lot now. Is for me same as Uzwane but better kancane in terms of fitness wise and everything, because uyadlala is constantly week in week out and is performing, assister, we are scorer, you know, because I've been like following him nangaphandle, and I'm like esuka from without eyangale, you know, even in Club World Cup football we saw what he did. So I'm saying for pros I'm sideline in this way, it's angikho happy, you know. I wish umuntu onjengaye angahlezi naye abe around, you know. We need such players manje, your Thembas, your Lorch, you know, ukuthi iban khona, and then we plug the rest. We know ukuthi we are building like Nina, because of Nina you have seen more and experience sendlale ngaphandle nenzani, so manje that are there beza ngemva kweni nje Nina, you must shadow them ngendlela right and then build a team ukuthi let's find a squad that's right, because of even Tina as players we can try and choose the right players for a squad besides Hugo Bros. Even Usafa nje, those that have been there, Abomkele, Abobani, they know I'm South African players. You know players that are playing abroad. Why don't we call those players? Because Abo Campbell, you've got
Campbell,
you've got Labafana lo, is it QPR? Got the squad in under 20, lo Kala Domute. We have about Giflings.
Giflings, which is I think today or yesterday he was making a 201 appearance with him, for which there's not even one player kuliya team wins the appearance which is history in the making.
Yes,
but is excluded in the national team.
From the national team. So that's what I'm saying. Tina, we have a lot of good players that are abroad, but mind you, we are not bringing them closer to the national team, or we say come to the national team. Whenever let's track you, sees what goes on, send people to go and watch.
There's even also another guy I saw, I think yesterday or earlier today, odlala ku Sunderland.
Yes.
Wase Mozambique kodwa khulele la.
Wala.
Yes. So like us.
That's what I'm saying. We have a lot of players, but manje as bagay exposure le efunakala right. Nalaba badlala ngapha.
Don't you think ayanda abantu abaningi bayisho lonto? Now I'm sure uzo relate na ukuthi kuthiwe uHugo Bruce is kind of big-headed. Umethi ngiyangapha uyangapha, you know, like siyibonile lento yenza isikhathi esiningi wayenza mhlambe ngomdlalo ozomkhumbula Nico Mob, noma even if he's out of form, because he pledged his loyalty to players irregardless of how they performing at the recent time. Akusiniki inkinga lokuthi agcine seba nehle livalekile ukuspotha njenganalaba badlali esikhuluma.
It's going to give us a big problem. As I'm saying ukuthi bona they should have amehlo avulekile and ears that are out there at all times. Try and collect information. Know abadlali that are around the globe, abasemzansi, because of manje thina sesikwesinye stage.
Yes.
So labantu nabo njengoba nje bedlala ngale abadlali ukuthi ngidlala eteamini ngiright, but ngisafuna ukudlala national team. But manje if I'm not being called or being recognized, nabo ngebaze basho lutho but umuntu uzoba happy la khona because of uyazi ukuthi la ngikhona I'm contributing a team by assisting, scoring, doing this, doing that, so I'm happy where I am. Even if they don't call me ku national team, I'm still okay. And then that's a big problem because of now istandard sethu sizokwehla futhi sizokwehla whereby these ones are trying ukuthi bakhuphule iflag lasemzansi to say emzansi we have quality, we have abadlali aba right, but manje ukuthi mina sibalande siba expose ngaphandle for them ukuthi babe nale yanto yokuthi I can play outside.
Mhlambe
ukuthi domestic kuphela but even challenging outside.
Mhlambe sesizovala nje uphinde wangathatha umuntu futhi kwiKaizer Chiefs. Do you think kwiKaizer Chiefs akathathi ngoba abadlali benga deserve noma there's a beef?
I don't think there's a beef. It's all about how the team performs most of the time. Nanokuthi ku Chiefs you debate it, you know, you can singa debate up until ukuthi ubani okumele angene ku national team ku Chiefs who deserves to be there. Because at the moment mina the only player, but he's one player for me this season who has shown ukuthi he wants to play, uMabuwe. You know, Mabuwe for me has shined a lot ku Chiefs. I center ye Chiefs ithe kuba stable kancane because of ifike nomuntu osedlalile osene experience eningi who can calm the game down and then athi let's try and play. For us to get there, we will get there, but build ngendlela right, have those passes, build confidence, and then when we have that confidence, you can go forward and try to go and score because of it's what he has learned previously from about Sundowns, about Super Sports, about you know, but mayabona ukuthi manje that experience manje useyayiletha manje uthi naye, so manje he needs assistance because of ngiyakhala ngithi mina you have Undlovu. Undlovu has played with Pirates, has played in Africa. He's a senior player. That's something ukuthi naye he should be saying to himself, ngeke madoda lo muntu is doing something, no, let me help, let me assist, and then but pull the team together. Ngabe uyabona ukuthi Chiefs enjani if they would do that.
Mhlawumbe sibheke futhi obviously wale KZN now ake sibheke overall performance yamateam aleThekwini since league iqalile, ama cup akhona ngisho Milford abasasele ko Nedbank. Do you foresee a future kuma team aseThekwini kwi competitive football ye league so far league iqalile?
For me ama team like KZN have done exceptionally well this season. I do not want to lie. I take off my hat to Abo Mangoba, Abo coach Atazwane, in Milford. You have who else?
Devon
City. You know, this season they surprised a lot of people because of they always say they are just there, you know, but
adding numbers,
but this season in fact bakhule ngenye indlela and abadlali like before, you know. Errors for me this season, they've got abafana that are hot. I don't want to lie. Coach Manqoba uhlanganisile lapha and the chemistry elapha you can see, good, you know, these boys they are trying. They are trying with all that they have. Amazulu ngapha now ake athi uqala athi kuba shaky nyana ayibamba futhi momentum yabo ya right manje. It's yabona ngathi ama waves ukuthi we're doing great manje better futhi bekuthi, you know, but they are there. You know, and yeah, obviously when it comes to ama cup games, I don't want to lie. I like KZN ba surprise most of the time. That's something yeah. Even a team like Milford. Abantu abaningi didn't think ukuthi now with themselves. Bebengayitshela ukuthi we would reach the stage 6 on a man.
Yes,
you know, because lapha it's all about nje luck yakho, find uthi okay, I cup game ngidla nobani cool, ngiyawina, advance to the next round, you know. So manje ke people are looking at them.
Ake sibuke sesizovala. Sibuke ona lama team ala KZN. Uma ubuka iArrows, AmaZulu, iDurban City, ngizokhuluma ngalabo kakhulu boba yi3. When they attack at a very, very high tempo, high pace and stuff. Is that kind of approach sustainable?
Ayikho sustainable. Because of if uqala ngepace high, are you gonna be able to maintain it throughout? Or uqala ngepace high, high and then you go low. So that's what I'm saying. It's a wavy manje because of baqale ngikuthi siya because of they've got young boys, you know, fresh blood. Abafana quick, but manje it's all about cabanga manje because of like PSL most of the time. But they should know this thing. Guti, it's maga is space more than umuntu.
Yes,
you know, timing yakho, how you read the game. There's something guti your awareness manje mele ngabe isikhulile isimature ngendlela right. So something guti ukujaha kwakho akuba ukujaha, you know ukuthi ngiya eliminator because of sengibona ukuthi ngiyafika epaleni. If I'm still far, I'm still gonna build because of you still have numbers. But if you have less numbers, it's easy for me to get behind you to try and score because I know that we have less numbers. So I'm saying ukuthi bona manje ukudlala kwabo from these 3 teams because sing stadium to go and watch all of them play.
Yes.
Arrows too fast. AmaZulu, yeah. City on and off because of they've got different strikers, wingers, midfielders, you know. So there's something with laba sengibabukile bona, yeah. You bayazama to be there kulaba boy 2, but these 2 bona manje they are fine kukuthi nje it's all about ukuhlisa igame yakho manje ukuthi manje ke transition yami ethi ngiya phambili ikanjani, ethi defense ikanjani for me ukuthi ngimaintain because of iArrows ku top izito bangale
ngaphandle kwe top 8,
ngaphandle kwe top 8, but they are fighting with bangene. So I'm saying ukuthi for bona ukuthi bangene shoda kancane. So I'm saying ukuthi manje bayashesha because of bacabanga ini uscorer top 8.
Last question, phakathi kwe Sundowns ne Pirates ubani ombone ithatha?
Le inzima inzima this season ngamane bathini abanglimazi, it's fine, but I'll put my head on the block. I'm going for iBhakania this season. With the fighting spirits abanaso, with depth abanayo this season, it's much better. You know, at least now they are able to compete with Sundowns. You know, so that's why I'm not too worried in terms of local, but yonke into manje isilele la kubona. Ekhanda manje more than physically, because of physically, you know, you can always push yourself, but manje mentally wise ke manje because of it's your last 10 games. Every point you collect is very important.
Yes.
How you approach your home games, how you approach your away games, because manje it's going down to the wires ngempela manje. That's why I'm saying every game they play, it's like a cup final. So manje you lose, you gone. You draw, you slip a bit. I'll go too far. But the more uzothi uya loser, it's the more omunye hamba. So that's what I'm saying. Ukuthi any lose from them, both of them, they must know ukuthi one who advanceayo is the one who will try by all means to stay up there.
Is it Mbuthuma for you or Mahop?
Scoring wise, I'd go for Mbuthuma. Yeah. Because Mahopa, Yenakora uyangena assist he comes in, he helps ngendlela asiza ngayo, but for now Mbuthuma is still doing it for me. He's still doing it for me.
He's the man.
He's the man for me. That's why I'm saying with Manje, it's all about when I'm Remy, when I'm Apollos, when I'm Rile, when I'm Bata, when I'm Master Chef. How are you feeding him for him to score?
Yeah.
That's the most important thing manje. Oyinto emele ngabe bayifaka la kubona engqondweni ukuthi ke manje since kanje manje how do we feed the guy, because ngempela we need to score and then we need to seal ngemumva. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi I'm still wearing ngabo Sibisi. Yeah, your Siema, the play Sesane has been out for a couple of times manje, so that's what I'm saying ukuthi whoever comes with centre back manje, because of if one is out it's a problem, because we still have to see who can we put and stabilize at the back. Centrally, I'm not too worried because of you still have your Makaula, you still have who else? You still have a couple of players that can play your defensive wise, but
of lately, Mr. Chef is not there.
He's not there. On and off. So now I'm still wondering, asking myself, what's happening, why? But this cat is Australia. Lama games are saying, is he there or is he not there? But
somehow coaching as we also had a cool behave.
A problem, Maganjalo, it's a problem because of La Pumakona. It was the very same thing, behavior, even before behavior. So into me so sometimes abanye it's hard to say your bad habits.
Jeez.
And then try and put in good habits and be more disciplined, because of manje it's more they need it the most, because of it's been the longest of time without paramisa league, so I do not want to lie now, but they want it ukuthi ngifile.
Nagcina 2013.
Yeah,
that was 2013.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey. So it's the longest of time.
Hey. Bafowethu nganza ukuthi kade phaka la gcina ukuwina i-league. So khumbula sonke ukuthi bagcina ukuwina i-league ngo-2013. Then after that yawinwa i-Sundowns, right? Seyinwa i-Chiefs. Then after i-Chiefs kwaba i-Wits. Then from Wits it has been Sundowns all along up until now. Nganza kwethu sivala kanjalo uhlelo la iDurban Network ngaphansi kwengosi yeSport Avenue la ngibambele khona isithokozisa uMantshangase ongekho e-studio namhlanje bengihleli noAyanda umfokacaba former Orlando Pirates player who also works as a coach. Masimbizile ke thina usuke esisiza njengane sport commentator or a sport analyst. Mfokacaba sibonga ukusivakashela namhlanje ku-Sport Avenue.
Yes, ngiphinde ngibonge ngokuthi iDurban Network invite once again to come to the studio, to come and analyze, to come and look at football nje, as a whole,
Yes.
because of we've been in this space before, so manje it's all about just trying to see how football goes these days, and I'm a team, how do they mature from before to something else manje, growing the teams, and then those smaller teams trying their utmost best ukuthi nabo bazibone belapha, like abo Sundowns, Chiefs, Pirates, because of abanye manje bayalandela kancane, ukuthi nabo they're trying to elevate themselves, so it's a good thing ukuthi at least eMzansi manje we are adapting to a good thing.
Nganza kwethu sivala njalo kuhlelo laseSport Avenue. I am your host Sabelo Mfowandabese. This is Durban Network. Sithi kuwena abake babonana mntakaba baphinde babonana. Danko.